Good morning to all of you. Once again, welcome back to your online classes. So today video is about articles because some students say that the articles videos are not completed. So today video is about articles. And one more information about your UT first. I hope you got your exam date, your UT dates, which is sent by school. Your exam will be start on 23rd maybe. So once again you check it and start your revision. Also already has sent revision. That revision, more revision you have to do by yourself and read all the chapters. Okay, those are syllabus you have, and if any doubt you can ask me. So let's start our video. So we study about the articles. So the articles are a, an, and the. Articles are words that define whether something specific or unspecific. Okay. Articles are classified as a determiners. They are a kind of adjectives which is always used with and gives some information about a noun. Kinds of articles. Two kinds of articles are there: indefinite articles, indefinite and definite article. So first of all, we see what is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles A or N are indefinite articles because they usually give a sense of any rather than particular. He consult a doctor means any doctor. We are not talking about the particular thing, a person. Okay, definite article means the definite article is used to specify a particular person or thing. He consult the doctor means the particular doctor he consulted. So then when we are talking about the second time, then we use the, because we are confirm it, we are talking about that doctor or that teacher, anyone. Okay. Use of a and we use a before words beginning with consonant sound. You can see a pen, a bag, a chair, a dog. We use n before words that begin with a vowel sound. An umbrella, an egg, an oven, an hour, an orange, like that. A and N are used only before singular countable nouns. A pencil, a pencils. A and used only before singular countable nouns. You can see the indefinite articles A is also used in sense of one. Wait a second, 1,000 people were there. Okay. Use of definite articles the. The is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Let us go to the park. The girl cried. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, like the cow is a domestic animal, the cat loves comfort. Before the names of certain books, Holy Spirit books also, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. Before the name of the unique or their kinds, like sun, okay, the sky, the ocean, the earth, like that. With the superlative degree also adjective we use the before the name of musical instrument, the guitar, the harmonium, the piano, the flute, like that. With the names of mountain range also, with the name of rivers, canals, ocean and seas, with the name of historical monuments like Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. So second thing we see omission of the article. So omission means is missing something, किसी चीज़ का छूट जाना. Okay. So in an English grammar we can see if a given sentence in English missing something, omit word is missing, so you have to identify the omission word. Okay, so that is, for example, you can write it, I read 10th class. So what is the meaning of that sentence? मैं 10th class में 10th class पढ़ता हूँ. Okay, if write I read 10th class, when you write like this one, so it is wrong. I read 10th class, yani I read in 10th class. So in is missing here. So it's called a omission articles. Okay, which is you are missing the word. Okay, before name of substance, gold is a precious metal. Before abstract noun, honesty is the best policy. And before language, we are studying English. Before names of relations, father has come. Okay, so I hope you cleared that one. So I hope you clear this omission also. You read this chapter once again and do at home, and this one also. This exercise do in copy and book, and this one also do all the things. Okay, this one also you do in copy. Okay, so now your articles is completed. So do it at home and understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will help you to tell this one. So till then, take care and have a nice day.